Hey guys, Dr. Connor here from Outbound Chiropractic, and today we're going over what a adjustment looks like for somebody that's been suffering from some headaches or migraines. And so typically what happens with somebody that has that's been suffering from some headaches and migraines, like we said with the x-rays, they usually have a loss of curvature, their neck starts to straighten out, and that puts a lot of stress on their spine and on the nervous system. And when the nervous system gets stressed, symptoms start to show up, such as headaches and migraines. So on our patient here, what we're going to be doing is demonstrating a few different ways that we can adjust the misalignment that happens in the neck. So if you come on over here, one way that we can adjust the neck is through using an instrument. This instrument is called an Activator, and so what it is it has a very gentle click. And so when we locate exactly where that misalignment is, we simply just place it on the neck and press, and it'll put in that little impulse like that. We also can utilize the drop table, which is when the patient will be facing down, and what happens is this headpiece where their head is resting just drops a fraction of an inch, and that allows enough of an impulse there as our hands put in a specific impulse for the adjustment to take place. A lot of the times we'll actually do a manual adjustment. It means that we'll be using our hands. And so when we do the adjustment, first what we do is we palpate or we feel the patient's neck and we find any areas that are restricted. And so very often what happens is that the upper cervical spine or the vertebrae in the top of the neck gets stuck and they don't move well. And so to adjust this, what we do, I've found a misalignment or a subluxation in the upper neck. This is C2 on the right. And so to adjust this, all we do is we bring the head into a certain position, we put in a little tiny impulse, just like that. And so that impulse that actually corrects the misalignment there, allows the spine to then move like it should, and it also takes off the irritation on the nervous system to, over time, allow those headaches and migraines to start to go away. So I hope you guys like this video. If you know of anybody or anybody that you might know that are suffering from some headaches and migraines, please share this video so we can get the word out about how chiropractic can help naturally. And also be sure to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, as we'll be continuing to put out more videos about information that how chiropractic can help you. Thanks.